ye be we hear the argument no the defense is that be more after election and ye pianko focus baby yet to amanfo akatuem any ade. This issue, you are a politician, how do we deal with it? Maybe the lens, political lens, because you realize that the other side is so taking advantage of it. Say, the issue here is that should we continue to have a system like they said they need in Hong Kong?
So don't medasi. Na ni woman say na insemni bibre hadwin. When power changes, na we new baba mu a obi ehun ni say o ya ban na aba nti enjuma wo ha wo say yen ni eye. So therefore obo say transfers bibre aba na transfer bi no out of their regions. It makes you feel uncomfortable until you near opa ntimi ana waje adwuma na ukọ ntimi so na abetere mu ana etere mu wa obi okumase ye ma no so e bia kulungugu unim ho ba bia. But what do you do na ni nyina ntwamfo ni nyina na ye the way I politics no. So when it gets to election time, campaigning, any ade on say when you are a civil servant and I say a public servant, you should know say oh no anka we are devoid of politics, especially open one. So because they are betwaba, but the fact that betwaba does not mean say also we open branded with a certain political party. The moment I obey man, the opposition party no any power. No who say oh no, anya they obeboa sebe na ban and I say ni plans. It finds ways to make you uncomfortable, especially say onye permanent staffer and your crime first why be money the bebre and we have seen sani mano time time and time over. But the woman say moi nyina na say oh yeah almost so they bring those things in you buy any amamojuma, especially youth employment at the normal renew 2 years be one never could do election year into one to abana my yen twaso yen nye renew amamo ebi won so mo say omo renew an on betwen be election time so that it becomes a bait. Ni nyina ye anti-side some of the politicians do say they be a betimi they are winning election in there, but it's not good. It's not good. Nyina the way forward na very simple.
Okay.
Recruit people not when we are doing elections. Okay. Not when we are doing elections. Not when I to about this is here to about we police military we no na protocol na mu ni agibi ni musika wa akire ni epia omahim on sane ma we nyina no human ade a emboa. Say John okasa obeka say they can some of the things leaders na omo da no na was omo ye omo no such a political attack ti we dey no aka ma na kosi say because omo na was omo ye ono so so aye na adwen say wonya nti on few na John